So guys, in this video we have to write a C program to print counting from 1 to 100 in reverse. So let's start. Hash include studio dot h int main int I equal to 100, and now we play while I is greater than equal to 1. Now printf percentage d slash n comma I, and in last we have to write return 0. So now let's run it. So here we have to apply I minus minus. So now let's run it. So see here, it gave us 1 to 100 counting in reverse order. And now we apply same program with for loop for I is equal to 100 and I is greater than equal to 1 and I minus minus. Now in this we write printf percentage d slash n comma I. So let's now run it. To see it gave us same output from 1 to 100 in reverse order. So guys, thank you for watching the video.